Alright, it's Saturday night. Let's have some fun. It's me, Papa Pumps, and Maxwell, and Rigby. And we only got 3 packages tonight, but I got one from Funko, and it's got 3 things in it. And we got two from Amazon. And there are a couple different things going on here. It's all good. So we're going to start with Funko because, as you can see, I got my old ratty t-shirt on, and I need something better. So let's start with this one. See what we got. Ready? Here we go, Max. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ready? Alright, Funko. And it only took them a week this time to get it to me, so that's better. Okay, got a bunch of trash. Alright, first of all, like I said, got my old ratty t-shirt on, so we got 2 new ones. Alright, 2 new t-shirts. And I always need new t-shirts. I got a closet full, so let's get them open and see how they look. See if they fit. Ready? First one looks to be like a Batman. Hell yeah. So, got the right size, we do. Okay, here we go. T-shirt number 1. Look at that. Oh, I like it. It says Dark Knight. The Dark Knight Batman. And, oh, that's just super cool. Look at that. How you like that, huh? The Dark Knight. You don't care. Okay, now, for something completely different, we have... Got check size. It's good. Something completely different. Oh, I like. And I have all of these Funko Pops. Simpsons Treehouse of Horror. Look at that. So, I need to put one of these on. Which one? Can't decide. Yeah, I got a couple of Batman things to open here, so we'll go with Batman. So, yeah. How about that? Let's see if we can do the old magic trick and get this shirt on. Cigar down. Okay, here we go. Alright, here it is. Fits perfect, as usual. I love it. Very, very nice. Look at that. It is fantastic. Thank you, Funko. You do make nice t-shirts, I will say that. Okay, now, we got one more thing in this Funko box. It's wrapped up. And here we have, it's another Pop comic covers. It's a comic book cover with a Pop, and it's a Joker. Yeah, very nice. I like it. How about that? Pretty cool. So yeah, we'll get him out of the box and get him on the spinner. Yeah, I like it. Now, one more Batman thing from Amazon, and I saw this and I've been enjoying the toys that you have to put together Gives me something to do on the weekends. And I saw this. So if I like it, I saw some other ones I like too. So we'll see how this one goes. And here we have, oh wow, the box is really messed up. But I don't care, we'll throw that away. It's Polar Lights Batmobile 1/25th scale snap assembly model kit. Ages 10 plus. I'm good to go. Okay, it includes Batman and Robin figures. So yeah, that'll be fine. I'll get to put this together. There's the back. What do you think? It's the Batmobile. Hmm? Okay, so we'll see how this goes. They also have the Mach 5 Speed Racer. They have the mystery van from Scooby-Doo. And I'm sure there's more. If I like this, and it wasn't very much, so if I like this, I'll probably get a couple more. If I don't, we're done. But Polar Lights, you know, that's a good model company. They made some Beatles models way back, several years ago, and I always wanted to get them, and I didn't. So now they're ridiculous, you know. But that never stopped me before, has it? So yeah, cool. All right, one more thing. This came from Amazon, and it's brand new from Funko, and you'll see why I wanted it. It's kind of weird. Ooh, double box, so that helps. It's kind of weird, but you'll see in a minute why I wanted it. So let's get her open. Ready? Okay, get ready for a big old Funko Pop rides. Yeah, ready? Here we go. Ooh. Okay, here we have, and I like it. I'm still not sure why, but it's the Mystery Machine with Bugs Bunny in it. Huh? Bugs Bunny. They're doing like a crossover thing. I'm not sure why, but I'm hoping Bugs Bunny will come out of there and we'll get Scooby-Doo or Shaggy or somebody in it, you know? So let's just find out right now. Is Bugs going to come out? Get ready. Okay, here we have the Mystery Machine with Bugs Bunny, and you know what? He's got a grip on the steering wheel, so I'm guessing he don't come out of there. Which, it's still the Mystery Machine, and you know, it'll look good sitting with my others. Is he gonna come out? No. Well, son of a gun. Oh well. We'll just have to explain why Bugs Bunny is driving the Mystery Machine, I guess. So we'll get him on the spinner. And that's it for tonight. We'll probably get some stuff for next weekend. Who knows? I still got some other videos I haven't done yet, and gotta edit, and so, you know, got a lot to do. So it's me, Papal Pops, and Maxwell the Kisser. And of course, Rigby's here with us. So yeah, thanks for watching. like, comment, subscribe. Somebody tell me why Bugs Bunny's driving the Mystery Machine. I don't get it. I wish he would come out of there. I was really counting on him coming out of there. But he don't. And I still like it. Right? It's Bugs Bunny. So yeah. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.